Hey there, my fitness professionals, my small business owners. We are back and I have a couple of words for you today. It's called Facebook for Fitness. Cue the music. This is very exciting. You know, you have so many free tools available to you and I want to make sure that you're getting the most out of them to help your business. So right now we're going to concentrate all on Facebook for Business. Facebook for Fitness business, that is. Oh, it sounds much more catchy, that word. Facebook for Fitness. Okay, so I know by now you probably already have your business page set up. And if not, that's okay, because as soon as you're done watching this, you can start setting that little page up. But what you really want to think about once you have that page set up is actually making sure that you have all of your information correctly filled out in all of the areas that they give you in order to help your page show up in more searches and actually provide more value to people when they are looking for something. So let's go over this very quickly. Pull up your Facebook page right now. Let's see, what category are you in? What's your title? What's your description? What's your location and your hours and your time and things like that? Do you have all of those fields filled out? Because you really should. That's how people are going to find you. And then once they find your page, you want to make sure if they're looking for your hours, it's on your page. Because you know what? Personal pet peeve of mine, I can't stand it when I go to a page or a website and I can't even find the contact information for that business. That's just a roadblock. Don't give me a roadblock when I'm trying to come spend money at your place of business. So same thing with your fitness page. Wait, your Facebook for Fitness business page. I'll eventually get it right by the end of this video. You want to make sure you take the time to really think about each of those areas that Facebook provides to you in your fitness profile. I'm doing it again. Your Facebook Fitness for Business profile, that you fill all those areas out and you actually give the information that people would be looking for. So you have several different areas in there. Like I said, it's not only your title, your description, but they also give you a whole area where you can put your services in. Make sure that's filled out. Make sure things like your map and your address are correct. Also, very important, make sure that you fill out that little area. What are they calling it now? Oh, it's called local, because you want to make sure that your information is correctly in that local area. So when people are driving past your local area with the phone in the hand, boom, and they're looking for a business just like yours, they can actually find it because all of your local information is right there. If none of this is making sense to you because you're actually driving in your car, you're nowhere near your computer, or you can't really pull up Facebook right now, that's okay. Take a breather, look at it later. Make sure you have all of those areas of your Facebook profile actually filled out for your business page, because it will help you enormously in the search, and then also when people get to your page that they can find the information that you're looking for. And that's a great place to start. So if you haven't done that, that's your job for the day. Make sure your information's filled out. Make sure the description's there, long and short form. Make sure you have your services. And of course, once your business is up and running, let's get some reviews. Hey, you like my business? Why don't you hit up a little review on the side? I should really take my own advice on that. Yeah, I'm gonna get right on that. So I hope this was helpful for you, because you know what? Sometimes we're so quick to jump the gun and we're like, ooh, I gotta do everything at once. Let me just throw this up here and throw that up there, that we don't always take the time we need to sit back, take a breather, and actually fill out the information in all of the areas that are provided to us in these social media tools. So right now, just in this moment, once we sign off, let's all sit back, open up our Facebook business pages, make sure all of our information is filled out in there, including the services. And then once you're done, if you want a quick review, hit me up, mayor@boomtownmarketing.com. You know that's me, Stephanie. I'll take a look, give you a review, make sure you have everything done that you need, because you know what? Your business is important. You are a fitness professional. You are helping the world feel better about themselves every single day. Look, I'm going to tell you right now, I didn't get a chance to get my run in this morning because I had to take my dog to the vet. And you can see there's like an anxiety tension level happening here, right? Yeah, it's going to be gone later once I get my run on, because that's what fitness and working out does for us. And you know what? It's a gift when you share your business. So make sure your information is out there and people can find you. And you know what? I did it. It's under 5 minutes. I'm out of here. I hope this was helpful. Please, if you like this video, like it, share it, subscribe. It's all around this window. Wait, likes down here, subscribes up there. Do that stuff. Here are more great tips, and I will see you later. If you have anything you'd like me to cover, leave that in the comments. If you're wondering about something and I don't know. You know what? Damn it, I just hit 5 minutes. All right, I'm done. I will see you later. Have a great day. Bye.